Church a happy feast. You all are doing a fantastic job. Carry on and keep rocking. Have a blast. Thank you. Father says to say nice things about him.
After these people are dancing, right?
Hi, good evening, Dada. I still can't hear. Good evening, Dada. I could have these floodlights off, please. We are about to start our American auction. For all those who don't know what an American auction is, we have a pigling here which is stuffed and weighing 8 kilos. All you got to do is come into this arena and keep bidding. This pigling could be yours for only 20 rupees. I repeat, this pigling could be yours for only 20 rupees. You've only got to come here and put your hand up. And if the bell goes when your hand is up, the pigling is yours for 20 rupees. Requesting everybody who wants to take part to please come into this arena which is marked for you. Calling everybody forward. All my bidders, come on. Let me see people coming forward. Michelle, your volunteers are ready? Michelle?
Hello, check. Hello, check. Hello.
Before I start with the auction, could I see some people into this arena, please? Just 20 rupees. Now, when does the auction get over? What we have here is a timer which we set. We keep it for a time which you and I don't know. Okay? When this timer goes off and whoever has put their hand up at that time would be declared the winner of this pigling. So please, do not wait. We are not setting the time this time. We are letting Father Felix set the time this time. Okay? This mic must be on continuously. Okay? No putting this mic off at all. Hello, hello. Okay? This mic must be on continuously. It's going to be on the table. Okay, I declare the American auction open. Let me see who's starting my auction for 20 rupees. Just 20 rupees.
Can we start?
Melvin, you got to come here in front.
Cheryl, can we start?
Yeah, 1 minute. Let Melvin just come in the front. Okay, start your time. Okay, Melvin, you'll have to come in the front here. Our auction has started. You can hear the tick, tick, tick which goes. That's the alarm. Okay? Kimberly, every time he puts his hand up, it's 20 rupees. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Okay. 40. 40. 40. 60. 60. 60. 60. 60. Every time you put your hand up, you're paying another 20 rupees more. Okay? Our auction is like that. Okay? 60. 60. 60. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. 80. Got to come in, please. Got to come inside. Don't wait till the end. We're running behind time already. So don't say I'll go at the fag end. You might be the loser. 100. 100. 100. 20. 20. 20. 120. 40. 140. 140. 140. 140. 160. 160. 160. 160. 160. 80. 200. 200. 200. 200. 200. 200. 200. 20. 220. 220. Come on, let me see it picking up. 240. 240. 260. 260. 260. 260. 280. 280. 280. 300. 300. 300. 320. 320. 320. 320. 320. 320. 320. 320. 320. 320. 320. 320. 320. 320. 320. 320. 320. 340. 340. 340. 340. 60. 360. 360. 360. Remember, you pay 20 rupees every time your hand goes up. 360. 360. 360. Remy, come, Remy. It's your birthday tomorrow, no? Come, come. Pickling is ready. 360. 360. Ruth, Levy, where are you? 380. 380. 400. 400. 20. 420. 420. 420. 420. 420. 440. 440. 440. Come on, let me see some more Tagda bidders, please. Into the arena. 440. 440. 440. 440. 440. 440. You got to come in, my friend, please. 440. 440. 440. 440. 440. 440. 440. 440. 60. 460. 460. 460. Welcome, Uncle Leo. 460. 460. 460. 460. 460. 480. 480. 500. 500. The one in the red. 500. 500. 500. 20. 40. 60. 60. 560. 560. 560. 80. 580, 580, 600, 600, 20, 620, 620, 620, 620, 40, 640, 640, 640, 640, 660, 660, 680, 680, 700, 700, 700, 700, 700, 700, 20, 720, 720, 720, 720, 720, 740, 740, 760, 760, 760, 760, 760, 780, 780, 780, 800, Melvin 800, Melvin 800, Melvin 800, 820, 820, 820, 820, 40, 60, 80, 880, 880, 880, no children allowed please, 880, 880, 900, 900, 900, 920, 920, 920, 920, 920, 40, 940, 940, 60, 960, 960, 960, 980, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 20, 40, 1,040, 1,040, 60, 1,060, 1,060, 1,060, 1,060, 1,080, 1,080, 1,080, 1,100, 1,100, 1,100, 1,100, 1,120, 40, 1,040, 60, 80, 1,200, 1,200, 1,200, 20, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 60, 60, 60, 80, 80, 1,300, 320, 320, 320, 340, 360, 360, yes it's picking up, 380, come on, 380, 400, it's picking up, 400, time's ticking and it's picking up, 420, 420, 420, 440, 440, 440, 60, 60, 60, 80, 80, 80, 500, 500, that's 1,500, 1,500, 1,520, 1,520, 1,520, 40, 540, 1,560, 1,560, 1,560, 80, 580, 1,580, 600, 1,600, 620, 620, 620, 1,620, 640, 640, oh I have a priest here, come father, 640, 1,640, 1,640, 660, 1,660, 680, 680, 700, 1720, 1720, 1720, 1720, 40, 60, 1760, 80, 80, 1800, 1820, 40, 1840, 1840, 1840, 60, 1860, 1860, 1880. Time and tide waits for no man. 1880, 1880, 900, 920, 940, 960, 960, 960, 980, 980, 2000, 2000, 2000, 2020, 2020, 2020, 2020, 40, 2040, 2040, 60, 60, 80, 80, 80, 80, 2100, 2100, 2100, 20, 2120, hand little high please, 2120, 2120, 140, 140, 140, 60, 2160, 2160, 80, 2180, 2200, 220, 220, 220, 220, 220, 240, 240, 240, 240, 260, 260, 260, 300, 320, 320, 340, 340, 340, 60, 80, 400, 420, 420, 40, 60, 460, 480, 480, 500, 500, 500, 500, 520, sorry, 520, 540, 560, 560, 560, 580, 580, 600, 620, 620, 620, 620, 680, oh, 640, 640, 640, 640, 660, 660, 680, 680, 680, 680, 700, 700, 720, 740, 740, 760, 760, 760, 760, 80, 780, 780, 800, 820, 820. Move forward, move the side please, because I can't look the side. 820, 820. Mr. Proposer, 820, 840, 840, 840, 60, 860, 860, 880, 900, 900, 900, 920, 920 with Igo, 920, 920, 940, 940, 960, 960, 980, 980, 3,320, 40, 40, 60, 60, 60, 60, 80, 80, 80, 100, 120, 120, 40, 140, 140, 140, 60, 160, 180, 180, 200, 200, 200 to 20 to 40, to 40, 60, 80, 100, 300, 3,320, 40, 40, 40, 40. You're making a mistake waiting. 40, 60, 80, 80, 400, 400, 420, 420, 40, 40, 60, 60, 460, 460, 80, 100, 100, 3,500, 3,520, 20, 20, 40, 540, 560, 560, 580, 580, 600, 620, 620, 620, 40, 640, 640, 660, 660, 680, 680, 700, 720, 720, 720, 740, 740, 760, 760, 760, 780, 800, 800, 800, 800, 820, 40, 60, 60, 860 with Daigo, 880, 880, 880, 900, put your hand up, huh? 900, 3,900, 3,900, please put your hands high up, huh? 900, 920, 920, 940, 940, 940, 60, 80, 100, 20, 20, 120, 40, 60, 60, 80, 80, 100, 20, 20, 4,120, 40, 60, 60, 60, 80, 200, 4,200, 20, 20, 20, 40, 40, 40, 40, 60, 60, 60, 80, 80, 100, 100, 20, 20, 20, 20, 40, 40, 40, 60, 80, 80, 100, 4,400, 4,400, 4,400, 20, 40, 40, 4,440, 60, 80, 80, 500, 520, 40, 40, 40, 60, 80, 80, 80, 100, 4,600, 4,600, 4,620, 20, 40, 60, 80, 80, 80, 600, 700, 20, 4720, 4720, 40, 40, 40, 60, 80, 80, 100, 20, 40, 40, 40, 60, 60, 80, 80, 100, 4,900, 4,900, 20, 40, 40, 60, 60, 80, 100, 5,020, 5,020, 5,040, 5,040, 60, 80, 100, 100, 5,120, 40, 40, 40, 60, 80, 100, 5,200, 5,200, 20, 40, 40, 40, 40, 60, 60, 60, 80, 80, 100, 5,300, 20, 20, 20, 20, 40, 60, 60, 80, 100, 20, 20, 20, 20, 40, 60, 80, 80, 80, 100, 5,500, 20, 20, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 20, 40, 40, 40, 60, 80, 100, 5,700, 5,700. 5,720. 5,720. 40. 40. 40. 60. 80. 80. 80. 80. 800. 5,800. 20. 40. 60. 80. 900. 5,900. 20. 40. 40. 40. 60. 60. 60. Come on. Time's ticking. 80. 6,000. 6,000. 20. 40. 40. 40. Come on, Hayden. 80. 100. 100. Okay, I've taken you 100. 100. 20. 40. 60. 80. 80. 80. 80. 100. 20. 6,220. 6,220. 40. 40. 60. 60. 60. 80. 80. 80. 100. 20. 20. 20. 20. 40. 60. 80. 80. 80. 80. 100. 120. 120. 40. 40. 60. 60. 60. 60. 80. 80. 100. 6,500. 6,500. 20. 20. 40. 60. 60. 80. 80. 80. 100. Higher. Yes, it is his. It is his. Yes, it's yours. Yes. Yes, it is. Yes. 6. Don't leave your people. Calculate the number of times they've put their hand, collect 20 and say goodnight to them after that. Okay? If they don't have change, we have got people here who will give them change. Yes, congratulations.
For how much? How much did it go for?
Who was along with him? Who was along with him? Where's Darius? Yes, 1 minute.
Come up, Baba. I'll set up big wedding. Settle the bill first. Settle the amount first. He has to pay 780. Alfred, we have to start the next item.
Yeah.
This one, we have just, the cops are already there. Huh? So you come up already. While they are settling the bill, you settle.
Oh well, can you believe this? He's come all the way from Bandra to bid this auction. How lucky he is. All the way from Bandra to take part in this auction, and it's his. See, he took it for only, how much did you pay for it?
20 rupees.
The total amount?
Whatever.
780 rupees. That's because he's put his hand up 39 times. A pigling which cost you so much, he got it only for 790 rupees. Congratulations, Larry.
Come, you start. Tell what's the. Let her announce what is there.
Levy, could you get your raffle draw ready, please? Okay, I'll ask Father Felix to hand over the pig to Larry. Let's give him a big hand, please.
I only got 2.
Congratulations, Larry.
Fast.
and we'll all be home tomorrow at your place for lunch.
Hello, mic check. We are about to commence the dance competition. The dance competition, ladies and gentlemen, paging for all participants for the dance competition. Please come to the stage. We are starting in 2